Get ready to have your mind blown with the 12 mind-blowing gadgets that push the boundaries. From futuristic tech to incredible innovations, this video will showcase the latest gadgets that will leave you amazed and craving for more. Let's dive into a world of cutting-edge technology and prepare to be blown away. Introducing the Werobot Pino lamp, a revolutionary table lamp that goes beyond the ordinary. Unlike traditional lamps, this innovative device offers advanced features such as adjustable illumination angle, brightness settings, and more. Developed in Hong Kong, the Pino lamp takes smart lighting to the next level with 3 tracking modes. For instance, you can customize the lamp to respond only to objects of a specific color. With a built-in wireless charger and 160-degree rotation, this lamp combines convenience and versatility. Control its settings effortlessly using your smartphone. The creators proudly present this technological marvel, emphasizing its sleek minimalist design, ensuring it seamlessly complements any space, whether it's a bedside table or an office desk. In an impressive display of DIY skills, an enthusiast has constructed a remarkably powerful 100-watt LED flashlight. The foundation of this ingenious creation is a computer fan, complemented by various other components listed by the builder, including a $17 LED chip and a $4.50 lens. Users have lauded this invention as superior to certain commercially available alternatives, although concerns have been raised about its long-term durability. However, for added functionality, it is possible to integrate an affordable circuit board and conveniently manage the flashlight settings through Wi-Fi connectivity. Next up, we have the Flextail Max Sub Pump, a compact yet incredibly powerful device capable of inflating up to 6 subs consecutively, with each taking approximately 6 minutes. This pump features 3 intelligent modes, a digital display, automatic shut-off and unit settings, and even remembers the previously set pressure. With a pump speed of 360 liters per minute and a patented design to prevent overheating during prolonged use, it guarantees reliable performance. The pump is equipped with a 9,600 mAh battery, contributing to its lightweight design, as it weighs just 1.7 kilograms. Introducing the Clic-Light, a cutting-edge solution designed to enhance safety in the bustling electric transportation market. While electric scooters, unicycles, and skateboards continue to gain popularity, alongside cyclists and motorcyclists on the roads, a team from France has developed these intelligent flashlights. These innovative lights not only increase the visibility of cyclists but also aid in maneuvering through traffic. They offer features such as turn signal indicators, brake lights, and hazard lights. With a remarkable battery life of up to 30 hours on a single charge, these lights are built to last. The combination of 37 LEDs ensures visibility even in foggy conditions. The comprehensive kit, complete with a remote control holder, is available at a price of $128, providing everything needed for a seamless experience. Stay safe and be seen with the Clic-Light. Let's look at the Doka, a remarkable computer mouse that pays homage to the traditional design while offering an array of modern features. Priced at $70, this mouse boasts a 5-inch AMOLED touchscreen, providing a delightful user experience. With a battery life of up to 56 hours on a single charge and weighing only 113 grams, it combines functionality with portability. The user-friendly software allows for easy customization, enabling users to drag and drop shortcuts, tools, and widgets from popular programs onto the screen. The Doka mouse is compatible with both Windows and Mac OS, with future compatibility planned for Linux. It supports the storage of shortcut profiles for up to 5 different computers, and for those in creative fields, there's an exciting feature. By applying pressure while using the mouse, artists can control the thickness of their brush strokes, enhancing precision and control. Introducing the Joto Whiteboard, a versatile and innovative addition to any home or office space. This ingenious concept takes a standard whiteboard and elevates its functionality by incorporating Wi-Fi connectivity for receiving and drawing sketches. Need to deliver a remote presentation? No problem. The whiteboard can automatically draw diagrams while you verbally explain them. Looking to impress your guests? You can utilize the special 365 Days of Art feature, offering captivating visual displays. If you work in a coffee shop or restaurant, the Johto whiteboard allows you to update the menu in real time, delighting your customers. Measuring 393 by 472 by 88 millimeters, this whiteboard is compact and priced at $200. Furthermore, the designers have committed to releasing a public API, enabling users to customize and enhance the board's functionality according to their preferences. Coming up is the Storaxa, a revolutionary device that challenges the limitations of existing gadgets. This innovative creation combines the functionalities of cloud storage, a Wi-Fi router, and a 4K multimedia hub. Its standout features include 16 GB of RAM, An Intel Celeron N6U5 Jasper Lake processor, 5 hard drive slots, 4 USB 3.2 ports with speeds of 10 gigabits per second, 2 USB 2.0 ports, an HDMI port, and a DisplayPort. While there are limited versions available, users have the option to choose different hard disk capacities and port combinations, and even opt for an AMD processor instead. Setting up Storaxa is a breeze. Simply connect the hard drives, plug in the power, establish a Wi-Fi connection, create an account, and you're ready to go. With Storaxa, you'll have access to terabytes of storage space, smartphone connectivity, and much more. Prices start at $200, and the best part is that you can have as many accounts as you need without any subscription fees. Experience the future of storage with Storaxa. Introducing the Silent Ventus, a drone model that stands out from the rest with its innovative ionic propulsion system. In recent years, venture capitalists have invested billions of dollars into the drone industry, and it's no surprise that advancements like the Silent Ventus have emerged. This drone operates on a simple principle: an electromagnetic field ionizes nitrogen and oxygen atoms, creating thrust in one direction. This unique propulsion system offers several advantages, including reduced noise levels, making it ideal for delivery purposes. The team behind Silent Ventus aims to achieve a flight time of 15 minutes with a noise level below 70 decibels by the end of the year, comparable to that of a noisy TV set or a vacuum cleaner. The technology used in this drone provides up to 150% more thrust compared to competing models. While skeptics may question the validity of such claims, the Silent Ventus offers an intriguing proposition. What are your thoughts? Next, this is the Ringo, a unique device that combines a water bottle and smartphone stand, catering to the ever-growing global smartphone market. In 2022 alone, approximately 1.2 billion new smartphones were sold, highlighting the immense demand for these devices. Successful entrepreneurs understand the importance of compatibility with smartphones when designing new products. Ringo serves as a prime example. This water bottle doubles as a convenient stand, allowing users to comfortably engage in activities such as video chatting, movie watching, or recording workouts. It is specifically designed to be compatible with iPhone 12 and higher models, featuring special magnets on the back panel. For other smartphone models, custom-made magnets are available. The device supports both vertical and horizontal mounting, with adjustable angles for optimal viewing, and pricing starts at $59. Stay hydrated and enjoy smartphone convenience with Ringo. Introducing the Everlast Smart Bag, the solution to the never-ending cycle of plastic bag consumption. In today's age, a bag capable of carrying 23 kilograms can now be as compact as a credit card. The designer behind this innovative creation was inspired to tackle the issue after discovering an astonishing 324 plastic bags in their kitchen cupboard. With the Everlast Smart Bag, they aim to provide the last bag you'll ever need. The bag features ripstop memory fabric and handles that automatically snap into place when folding, ensuring convenience and durability. Its vibrant colors make it a fashionable accessory, aligning with the designer's mission to distribute it widely. The goal is to save an estimated 50 million single-use plastic bags by 2025, and the project has already garnered significant support, raising over $350,000 through platforms like Indiegogo alone. It's time to put an end to excessive plastic bag usage and embrace the Everlast Smart Bag as the sustainable alternative. Introducing the Batmobile Baby Stroller, a creative transformation that brings the iconic superhero's vehicle to life for the youngest protectors of the night. The enduring story of Batman, which began in 1939, has inspired comic book artist Robert Kane and numerous DIYers worldwide to create Batman-themed creations. Among these innovative projects are baby strollers converted into mini Batmobiles, allowing little ones to ride in style. Utilizing 3D printing technology, this particular Batmobile stroller is even constructed from recycled materials, adding an eco-friendly touch to the design. Now, thanks to these imaginative patrols, not only Gotham City can rest assured knowing that its youngest citizens can sleep comfortably.